Okay, you're welcome to this tutorial. In this one, we are going to be looking at how to create consistent images for our African folktale stories or any other story you may be creating. Now, so many people have been sending me messages asking me to show them how they can create images where the characters look the same in all the scenes, suitable for their African folktale stories or any other story that they may be creating. And in this video, I'm going to be doing just that. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, because I drop videos, tutorials like this that talk about free AI tutorials you can free AI tools rather, that you can use and how you can use them, okay, to create whatever you want. So kindly subscribe to this channel, set notifications so that you will know when I drop new videos like that. Okay, without wasting time, let's dive in immediately.
Follow Slendom AI for free AI tutorials and tools, prompts, and insights. Thank you.
So the first thing we will be doing is to generate our story. So we are going to start by generating our story, and I'm going to copy a prompt that I have already prepared that is going to generate us the story. And these prompts that I'll be using in this tutorial will be made available in my Telegram community. The link is in the description to this video and also in the channel description. So if you want to have access to those particular prompts, these particular prompts that I'm using in this tutorial, kindly follow the link and join the Telegram community, okay, where you get access to the prompt and other things I will be posting. All right, without let's copy the first. I'll copy the first prompt here, which is this one. So I'll copy it, which is this one. I'll copy it, go back, and I'll just open a new ChatGPT chat and then paste it here. You can use any other tool like Claude and any other one, Copilot, anyone that you like. Now, if ChatGPT will tell you that it's ready and it's ready to okay, before we do that, I forgot something, so I'm going to edit it again. So I'm going to remove this part. So that's the editable part. I included it here, this part in red. You can edit it, okay? So I'm going to edit it here. So I'm going to remove, so that the setting will be an old village scene. So I'm going to put it this way, okay? So I'll leave it in brackets. Include a vivid description of the environment, an old village scene. So I'm going to leave it like this, an old village scene, and I'm going to send it again. Okay, then ChatGPT will go ahead and give us that, waiting for my title now. So for my title, I'm going to I'm going to now include a title that I want. I'm going to give ChatGPT a title for my story. So this one, what do we call it? I will say, let me say, Mma, the beautiful lady. So let's put it that way, and then we send it, and ChatGPT will go ahead and create the story for us. Okay, so now ChatGPT has finished writing the story for us when the Harmattan winds first brushed the roofs and blah 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 to the end here. Now, this is not about how to create the story, but this is about how to create the images for the story. So if you want to know how to generate stories like this, kindly watch other videos on my channel that has explained that. Okay, I have taken time to prepare videos that explain how to create both animated African folktale stories and other, and how to generate long form folktale stories for your African folktale channels. Okay, so once the story has been generated like this, what we need to do now is ask ChatGPT to give us the images, and that will lead me to bringing in the next prompt, which is the image prompt. We say write a detailed reusable text to image prompt. So I will just go ahead and copy the image prompt like this. Okay, I will stop here, let me give it a different color so we can always differentiate it. So it is this one. I just copy it like this, go back to ChatGPT and paste it. Okay, so I have pasted it on ChatGPT like this. So I will just okay, now the prompt contains some things that you take note of, because there are features that you expect to remain the same in all the scenes of your story, in all the images that you're going to generate, which includes the skin color, the eye color, the hair style, body height, and all those things. And in this prompt I have included everything. I say for every character, explicitly include consistent attributes such as age range, gender, facial features, skin tone, eye color, and all that. So in order to make it consistent, so let's send this, and ChatGPT will start writing the prompt for us. Okay, so it has started describing everything for us. You can see age range 25 and like that. Okay, so ChatGPT has generated this for us, and you can see it here. This is You can see all the features of with example image prompts. Okay, solo portrait and village scene. This is for Obinna. This is Obinna farm scene with and this is character 3, Ozamaka, Mma's mother, her age and every feature, and the image prompt for her, compound scene, and all that has been done for us here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to copy each of these prompts and generate an image of each of the characters one after the other. And to do that, I will be using this AI tool here. Okay, so once you come to your Google like this, any browser, and open a new tab and you tap whisk there, it brings out something like this. Just tap on this whisklab.googlefx and it will bring out this. Just click on enter to, and it takes you to it, and it may ask you to log in. Go ahead and log in with your Google account, and that will be it. So I'll go back to ChatGPT and I will copy the prompt of for instance, and then go back to whisk, paste it, and under here I choose my aspect ratio. So if I want it to be 16:9, which is suitable for YouTube video, or 1:1, or 9:16 if you're posting it on platforms like TikTok, Facebook, you can use square or portrait like this, is okay. So just go ahead and send it and it will start generating. Then I will still go back and copy the one for Obinna, for instance. So Obinna farm scene, so I'm going to copy this alone like this, and then I'm going to go back again. You can see it has generated us this lovely picture of So I'm going to paste for Obinna too and send it, and while it is creating, I will click on this one that has her face. Anyway, both of them are all okay, so I'll click on this one to download it. You can see the one of Obinna here. I'll click on any one of them to download it, and once it is downloaded, the next thing I need to do now is to create scenes where the characters that I want appear together on the same scene. Okay, for instance, if I want to create a scene where and Obinna are talking to each other, I'll first of all go and ask ChatGPT to create me such a scene, and that brings me to the next prompt that we are going to use, which is this one. We say write 5 detailed text to image scene prompts in which the same story characters appear alone or together. So I'm going to edit it to appear together. So I'm going to copy, and it has also said that it should include all the features that are on the other prompt. Okay, you say repeat the feature, describe vividly what they are doing, and blah 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 blah. The goal is absolute character consistency across all images. Now I'll copy it this way, then I'll go back to my browser and go back to ChatGPT and I will paste it. Okay, remember what we have just done, we just did for Obinna and Mma, but we can do it for other characters. For instance, this is the one that we generate for Mma's mother. I'll copy it, let me show you. Copy it, come here, paste it, make my selections here and let it go. Then go back to ChatGPT. There's something I want to remove here, so I have this. There's something I want to remove here. This is a well detailed and describe what each character is doing. I wanted to remove something before. Okay, where the characters appear together. So I'm going to remove alone. So it wouldn't give me prompts where the character is alone, but it will give me a prompt for where they appear what together. So I'm going to click send so that ChatGPT will generate me. Remember, I have said 5 scenes. If you want more than that, you can indicate it here. Okay, if you want him to give you scenes that are more than 5 for the story, for any story that you have written, go ahead and indicate it here in the prompt. So instead of having 5, you can have 10, 20, or any number that you like. Let's go back to Whisk and see what has been done for us. Okay, I lost my internet connection. Let me see, is connecting back. Okay, now it has generated the image for us, but I discovered something here. It did not include the age here, as you can see. Let me see this one, enable overall. So it did not actually include their ages. So something I can do is to copy the ages and include them themselves. So I'm going to, in this one now, I'm going to say an Igbo woman. I'm going to say age and I'll paste it there, age 45 to 55 years, or let me just say 50 or 48 years. I will say 48 years here, and then I will generate so it doesn't give us some a woman that is as old as this. Okay, so let's just say she is 48. For Mma too, we can do that if we don't like the age and things like that. Another thing we would have done is ask ChatGPT to repeat and give us and include their ages in the prompts. In the prompt, it just gave us their character features here. It didn't include them in the prompts. Okay, so I can still go ahead and ask it to include them in the prompt. Now the second prompt I have posted here, I have pasted here, has been generated and it has gone out to create all these for us, including their ages. Now you can see that, including their ages now and like that. So what I'm going to do, let me go ahead, and I've downloaded this one. Let's see what it created for us here. It's still creating the same. Let me see. Face, pronounced cheekbones, deep skin, visible age lines, dark. Okay, it is all these visible age lines and others that are doing that. Okay, but if we don't want her to be this old, we can adjust this, all these visible age lines, and we can remove them. Okay, deep brown skin, no visible age line, weary but warm eyes, face, pronounced cheekbones, this brown. Now let's send it again and see what happened. But why that is happening, I am going to go back now and create this particular and create a scene where Mma and Uzamaka are together. Or let me see, since I've generated for Mma and Obinna, let me take a prompt for that. So I'm going to use this. Where is it? This is the scene 1. Scene 2, Market Square, Obinna, and this. Okay, let me copy this one. Let me copy this one like this and go back to Whisk. And what I'm going to do here is that it's still giving us that. What I'm going to do here is that I will paste this, and this one is featuring, this prompt is featuring Mma and Okori. We have not generated for Okori. Let me see. So we go back and this is Okori. Okay. Say it didn't give us. This is Village Park, Mma, and Ozamaka. I will ask it to give me the one for Mma and Obinna. Just type Mma and Obinna there, and it goes ahead to give us. It goes ahead to give us. Now it has given us this, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this. This thing features Obinna and Mma together. Now with what they are doing, you can see everything is written out for us. I'm going to go back to Whisk and I'm going to use this prompt to create a consistent image of both of them together. How am I going to do that? I'm going to make use of a feature in Whisk that where you can upload the images of the people that you want to appear the same on a particular scene. So I'm going to tap on subject and then click there and upload my image. Okay, I'm going to upload my image. So I upload the image of Mma and open it, and I'll click on this plus sign here to add another placeholder, and I'm going to click again and then upload for Obinna. Okay, and after I have done that, I will choose my aspect ratio. Under settings here, this must be locked. Precise reference must be locked. Okay, precise reference must be locked, and then go, and it starts generating for us, and we can do that for all the characters. Can do that for all the characters. Look at this one. This one is a walking the village part together. A wide cinematic Igbo line name Mma, full visual prompt repeated verbatim, their expression Obinna, and all that. I can copy this again. I'll copy this again and go back. You can see that it has generated us an image of both of them together, and they are looking the same. The same clothes that he is wearing here is the same clothes that he is also wearing here, even though this one it cut off the head, but you can still go you can still try again. Now let's do it for the second scene. Now paste it again, making sure precise reference is selected and making sure my aspect ratio is also okay, and then I will go and hit generate. It's cutting off the head here, but we can keep generating until we get what we want. Okay, look at them again here. You can see that it is still the same face, the same everything. You can see it. Okay, and you can do that for all the characters in the story just by uploading their images here. Like if I want to upload an image of another person now, I will just click here to delete this one. Click here to delete this one, and I'll upload them again. And if I want to add more people in this to the scene, and you can just click here. Now I can do this for all the characters. Okay, let's say I want to do it for the mother and the Mma. Now I will just download the image, one of the images of the mother. I will go back and copy the scene where they are together, which is this one. Let me see, Mma and Ozamaka. So that's it here. So I'll just copy it and come back here, and I will remove the image of this person, and I will upload the image of the mother that I just downloaded. So both of them will be together, and we'll go ahead and paste this prompt here, and then allow it to finish and analyzing the image. After it has finished, I will hit go, to start generating the image. Okay, so as you can see, the image has been generated and they are looking just the same in this scene as well. So what to do is very simple. Once you get the images, the portraits of the characters you want to appear the same in any scene, get prompt for each of those scenes, upload the subjects as references, and then paste or input your prompt, the scene prompt, and it will be created for you. You don't know too much work there. Okay, let me know what you think about this particular AI tool in the comment section, and also remember to subscribe to this channel, okay, so that you get videos like this. Let me know in the comment section what you were able to create, and if there's any other tutorial you want me to do, let me know about it. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.